This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hey there! Today, we are going to practice spelling parts of short E words. When the letter E comes before a consonant, it typically makes the short E sound eh, like the beginning sound of the word elephant. The first word is vest. V, e, s, t. We have the letters for the est part, but the letter for the first sound, v, is missing. Which of these letters makes the v sound? V spells the v sound. V, e, s, t. Vest. The next word is belt. B, e, l, t. We have the letters for the elt part, but we're missing the letter for the beginning sound b. Which of these letters makes the b sound? B spells the b sound. B, e, l, t. Belt. The last word is desk. D, e, s, k. We have the letters for esk, but the letter for the first sound, d, is missing. Which of these letters makes the d sound? D spells the d sound. D, e, s, k. Desk. Way to go! Now it's time for you to practice spelling parts of short E words on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.